How can we like remove animation from this presentation? Is there a way to? I think.
Wait, did you push the? Marcelo, did you push? You didn't push. The
Should I
working
delete it? Yeah, like all the.
onto the
Okay.
repo.
Yep.
Okay, check. After. No, like unfortunately, like it's like an when we press on it, the second. Maybe we can.
So is everything on the repo? This one, right? Mazula repo.
I think we remove it everywhere. Okay, yeah, there's a remove. Okay, maybe it works. I'll hide the question list.